Hello again, precious people. Hello again, everyone who have taken this course, and everyone, and basically I love you all, okay? I really love you all. I love you that you have taken your step, you have paid for this course, you have get into this course. And in this particular lecture, I really want to talk about a kind of simple thing, but it's really important. It's a mindset, right? It's a really simple thing, and for this, I just want to make sure that you know what we are going to do in this particular course, right? So you really want to have like realistic expectations. You shouldn't fear about any failure. You should have a consistency, and you really have to take your own step in this stuff, right? Because if you're just looking at this course, right, you're going lecture after lecture after lecture after lecture, you're actually learning stuff, right? So you're learning different processes, you're learning different things and how to design and how to research for winning designs and stuff like this. You're actually learning Facebook ads, different social media ads platforms, how to promote it, how to do this, how to do that. You see that I'm pretty successful at this thing, right? But that didn't come without any failure, right? I failed much. I'm failing up at this point. I'm actually failing almost every week, right? I'm doing this every week. I'm creating designs, I'm researching different designs, but I'm failing, right? And I just want to write in this that you will fail, okay? You will fail, but you really cannot succeed without failing, right? You really must know that, right? Because without failing, that just basically means that you are not trying at all, right? Of course, you might get lucky. Of course, you might get even viral on the internet, right? But because of the social media and how this magic thing works. But if you are just a regular person like me, who just doing what I'm trying to do, who's just trying to make some money online, who's trying to maybe make some great looking designs and stuff like this, you really cannot succeed without failing, right? And every single marketer has failed previously. And I didn't want to do this on caps lock, but you really must know that, okay? That's pretty simple, and just basically watching these lectures with course and without even trying on yourself, I might not help you, right? You really want to make sure that you have failed on your own, and please don't fear it. Okay, don't fear it. It's normal, right? For example, what worse can happen? Like what? You have spent $5 on Facebook ads, failed. So what? You have spent $5, your like t-shirt design didn't make it. It's pretty crap probably. I don't know. Maybe you have failed on ad itself. Maybe you have failed on t-shirt design. I don't know. I don't really know. Please make sure you type in your failures, maybe your design ideas on the questions and answers tab on this course. But $5 isn't that much, okay? You really should make sure that you know that if you want to start this business, you have to have some kind of budget on in your pockets, right? And you will spend some of the dollars on Facebook, on Instagram, maybe Instagram influencers, on YouTube ads or whatever, right? You will spend, you will fail. Well, that's the business. But without trying, you won't make any money, you won't succeed, and that's how this business works today. Okay? But if you will not try, and you will not spend any dime, well, you won't make any money, probably. Of course, as I said before, you might get success on organic traffic, on organic Instagram, Facebook traffic, right? But if you really want to make sure that you have a consistent, successful business, you will need to spend some money. Okay, so that's pretty much it. But it's on the failure, right? And you will fail, and that's okay. Okay. Well, effort. What about effort? Don't question things. Just do it. You know that ad with Shia LaBeouf? Just do it. Okay, just freaking do it. Go on Google, do something, try different designs, run Facebook ad, and just do it. Okay, I will show you every single step you will need in order to succeed. But you know, as I said before on the failure step, if you don't try it on yourself, well, I'm not going to make money on you on your end, right? So you will need to do this on yourself by your own. But go in there and do it, because in this course you will get the exact blueprint, right? Exact blueprint on successful Teespring business, right? But without actually doing on yourself, you won't succeed. And if you do the work, you will succeed. Okay, you will succeed if you do the work, if you do it on consistent basis and consistent schedule. You will succeed. Okay, if you follow the steps in this course, you will succeed. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the effort. I mean, you have to just basically do stuff on your own. Now, consistency. What about consistency? Let's talk about it. You know, things online are pretty driven by roller coasters. Okay, one day you are failing, another day you are having a success day where you are making money, and another day you are failing again, and another day you are failing again. And this is kind of roller coaster. You have to make sure you are prepared. Okay, and this is online. This is where things are going fast, right? This is where you are going to see by yourself that you are going to be on the effort roller coaster. Please be consistent and you will get results. Just try to do things, regularly on Facebook. Try to do different designs, launch it, test it, see it if you get any results. No, just kill that ad, kill that campaign, freak it, and whatever, go with another design. Okay. And yeah, just do things. Let's just do things on your own and you will be success. That's just really self-explanatory. I don't know why I'm even talking about this, but here we go into the reality. If you are spending $5 on the FB ad, you probably won't make $10,000, right? You won't make $10,000 per month, right? So you need to make sure that you are realistic about this business. If you are spending money, you probably will get some kind of ROI, right? But you have to spend. You have to spend money to succeed with Teespring, right? And not just with Teespring, but with other online businesses. This is where you will see a lot of guides online where you can drive traffic, drive organic free traffic to your source, to your basically campaigns, and you actually can maintain and can generate some kind of income, right? You can. It is realistic, but it will take time, okay? It will take a lot of time to succeed. It might take a lot of time to actually generate first dollar online, right? And this is not about only Teespring. This is about other online businesses, affiliate marketing, online courses, Shopify stores and such like this, right? But if you want to basically have a full-time income, you want to have income, you will need to basically spend money on ads, right? That's pretty much it. So that's, I said, pretty much it for this lecture. I mean, this is pretty much self-explanatory, I guess. But I really wanted to make sure that you know these things before diving into this course, and I will make sure and I will try my best to basically don't let your money drain, and I will just show you like success blueprint, success step-by-step blueprint on how to success and how to make some money with this business. And I will see you in the next lecture.